Greetings, adventurous souls and food lovers. Welcome to the Travel, Tour, and Dine YouTube channel. We're your passport to the world's most exciting destinations and mouth-watering dining experiences. Hold on tight as we embark on a thrilling journey to discover Bora Bora's top 5 activities. Starting our countdown at number 5, prepare to be captivated by the mesmerizing underwater world of Bora Bora. Imagine yourself floating effortlessly among vibrant coral gardens, exotic fish, and even the occasional sea turtle. It's an underwater paradise that's simply unmatched. And what better way to round off this thrilling dive than with a feast of sumptuous seafood at a local gem? Freshly caught and expertly prepared, it's the perfect end to an unforgettable adventure. After an exciting dive, it's time to refuel with some mouth-watering seafood at our recommended spot. Moving on to number 4, get ready to scale new heights. Picture yourself ascending the rugged terrains of Bora Bora, each step taking you closer to a breathtaking panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. This mountain climbing adventure isn't just about the climb, but the reward that awaits at the summit. And what's a day of thrill without a meal to match? As you descend, don't forget to grab a bite at the local cafe that's famous for its mountainside views. At number 3, we have a high-speed adventure waiting for you. Nothing screams thrilling like jet skiing on the crystal-clear waters of Bora Bora. As you rev up the engine and cut through the waves, the adrenaline rush is incomparable. Feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the heart-pounding exhilaration of speed, but the thrill doesn't end there. After a thrilling ride, unwind at the beachside grill with some delicious barbecue. Savor the smoky flavors as you recap your high-speed adventure. Coming in at number 2, prepare for an exhilarating aerial adventure. Skydiving in Bora Bora is not simply about the adrenaline rush of free-falling. It's about embracing the thrill of the unknown, surrendering to the wind, and soaring like a bird. The panoramic view of the island from the sky is a sight to behold, and after the heart-pounding excitement, there's nothing better than refueling at a cozy dining spot in the city center. Post your sky-high adventure, head to the city center for a well-deserved meal. And now, for our top thrilling activity in Bora Bora. Imagine a close encounter with the ocean's most captivating creatures, the sharks and rays. Experience the adrenaline rush as these magnificent creatures glide past you. This unique experience is not for the faint-hearted, but it's an absolute must for thrill seekers. After this heart-pounding adventure, soothe your senses at a local eatery renowned for its exotic seafood. After a day full of thrill and adventure, end it on a high note with a delightful meal at our top dining spot. That wraps up our top 5 thrilling activities in Bora Bora. From heart-pounding adventures to exquisite dining experiences, these unique offerings will make your trip unforgettable. Before you go, remember to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you these incredible travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring.